Hello lovely people, in this video I will be sharing with you guys the recipe for my father's famous Hainanese chicken rice. Let's get right into the video and I hope you guys enjoy it. First, you have to fill up the pot with water and put in 50 grams each of red onion, garlic and ginger, 2 tablespoons of chicken stock, and then you can begin to put in your whole chicken that has been washed. We have to do this one first because it takes the longest, about 45 minutes on a medium-low heat. While the chicken is cooking, I will begin preparing the rice. Into the food processor, put in 50 grams of red onion and 50 grams of ginger, roughly chopped. And finally blend 50 grams of garlic. Once you're done, mix your ginger, garlic and red onion well. Next, your blended item should be fried until it is golden brown. An important tips, when you're cooking it, consistently stir it so it doesn't burn. Once your garlic, ginger and red onion is golden brown, you can start removing it from the oil and drain the oil properly. Now into the rice cooker, 2 cups of jasmine rice and pandan leaf, and then mix together your fried mixture with the rice. And then put in 2 tablespoons of margarine, 1 tablespoon of chicken stock, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Then put 3 cups of hot boiling water. Mix again, cover it and start cooking process. While the chicken and rice is cooking, we will begin preparing the soup. Into a bowl, put in 1 tablespoon of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of soup mix, and half a tablespoon of white pepper. And put in about half a cup of water and mix well. Right, for the soup, I will use a saucepan and 1 liter of water. Put in 50 grams each of red onion, garlic and ginger, and then mix together with the soup mixture that we made just now. Then bring it up to a boil and put in 1 stalk of chopped carrots and 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. After 45 minutes, it looks like our chicken is ready, and now we can take it out from the boiling water and run it under cold water. Now, the reason why we put it in ice water is to stop the cooking process and ensure that the chicken is nice and juicy on the inside and not overcooked. That's it. Now the rice, the soup and chicken is ready. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and good luck with trying out this recipe. If you have any question, post it down in the comment below. Now enjoy the B-roll.